I bought chicken for this house only to come back and find it finished. Imagine that, and I am the one that feeds this house.
Baby, please, I beg now. Nobody kill you.
I made this entire movie, start to finish, the characters, the dialogue scene, and even this heaven scene with one AI tool. And it's not the AI tool that everyone is talking about.
What are you doing here?
I'm going to show you exactly how I create AI movies like this, step by step. But before that, stay with me because I'm going to show you something that can put actual cash into your pocket right now, whether you decide to create a video today or not. Breaking news. This AI tool is running a $300,000 creator contest right now, and the part people are missing is that you don't even need to win to get paid. Every single qualified submission gets $100 in creator bonus. The grand prize, a call favorite, $30,000, most creative, $15,000, best ad, $15,000. Noting that once you make a verified submission, you get $100. Cool cash. And so many other prizes for everybody. The name of this AI tool is A-Call, and that tool I'm going to be showing you exactly how I created this video using Sedan's tool on this AI platform. So let's go to it. First step is to create your scripts. I usually like to use Claude AI. Using the speech to text function, I just tell Claude AI what I want to see in my movie, telling it that I am an AI video producer and it should create this particular story into scenes. It should give me the character descriptions of all the actors in the scene and divide the videos into scenes that can be generated easily using Sedan's 2.0. And once I do that, Claude gives me the script. Now, if you like the script, just ask me in the comments and I'll send you the script. Now, if you don't have an idea for the story, just tell Claude to give you a very interesting story that you want to create as an AI creator, and it will create it. Now that the script is done, we are going to create our characters so that they remain consistent throughout the scene. What do? You use ChatGPT. Just go on ChatGPT, open ChatGPT, create a new chat, and then go back to the prompt document that Claude has created for you. Select the first scene, which we are going to be creating is the husband. We're going to copy the whole prompt in that segment, paste it on ChatGPT, and press the send button. Just like that, the husband character has been created. I did that too to create the wife character and also the angelic being. Now that we have our characters, we have our prompts, let's now go straight to the A-Call platform and create the full movie. Once you open the A-Call platform like this and you have signed up with your email address, they usually give you free gems that you can use to try out the platform. So I'm just going to click claim the free gem. They also give you sign-up bonuses that you can use to try out the platform, and once you're convinced, you can go ahead and make a subscription. And to create videos on A-Call, you're just going to go over here that it says videos, and I'm going to click image to video. The reason why I'm selecting image to video is because I'm going to be using the images I've generated to tell my story. Now, looking at my script, I've already generated scenes 1 to 6 as you saw in the opener. So now let's go ahead and generate scene 7. Okay, so for the scene 7, I'm going to copy all the whole prompt like this for that scene. Now once I open the A-Call platform, I'm going to click over here and make sure I'm selecting Sedan's 2. If you scroll down here and see Sedan's, you see different kinds of Sedan's. I advise you to use either Sedan's 2 mini because it uses less credits, or the Sedan's 2 fast. So once Sedan's 2 mini has been selected, so I'm going to click the plus image here and I'm going to upload the file of the wife, and I'm going to click try this materials. I'm going to click again and I'm going to add the image of the husband. Okay, so I have the image of the husband. I'm going to paste the prompt that I copied from my prompt document. Now, when we go over, we're going to try as much as possible to read it. When it says the husband, I'm going to click here to tell the AI to who the husband is. I'm going to click the shift button and press the art, and you can see 2 images come out. So I'm going to select image 2 to show that this is the husband. So he stands on a golden bridge, admired with beautiful surroundings. Suddenly his wife, you can see at wife. I'm going to clean it over and I'm going to make sure that I select the image of the wife. I'm just teaching the AI that this is the image of the husband and this is the image of the wife. So once you're done, you can come over here and select your settings. Change your resolution. The higher your resolution, the higher your points. You can change the duration of the video. I want to leave it at 7 seconds. I want to change the aspect ratio to 16:9 because I want it to be widescreen. And you can also have some good settings that you can select. This is going to take us only 14 credits. Okay, so you can generate a lot with the free tools that you have, and we're going to click the generate button. This is going to take some time to load. I'm going to show you the finished video, and when we come back, I'll show you how to make your submissions to get your sure $100 creator bonus.
What are you doing here? It's not your time yet.
It's my time, please. I can't go back to that wicked wife of mine. Look at this place. It's so beautiful. By the way, where am I?
Heaven.
Where do you think you're running to? You even changed your outfit.
Clear the way! It's judgment time!
I think that was amazing, right? So now that we have all our video clips, I've generated the remaining 2 scenes that were left, and now I have all my scenes completed. I'm going to go on my video editor and put them one after the other, making sure they have a nice synchrony. Okay, and then I'm going to make sure I put in the ACAL logo, because one of the requirements is that their logo has to be on the video you are submitting, and then I'm going to export this movie. Now that the video is exported, we have our video. We need to post this video on social media for it to be an eligible submission. So we're going to go on the social media of choice today, which I'm going to be using TikTok. So I'm going to open my TikTok account. I'm going to upload this video. Now, they have some requirements for your uploads. First, you must have the hashtag #ACALClash in your description, and you must tag ACAL Inc. So I've tagged ACAL Inc. I have written my description for my video, and I've posted the video, making sure the video is public. Once the video is public, you just collect the link and then you go on the ACAL platform. Going back to the base home screen of the ACAL platform, you're going to select here where it says enter to contest. Okay, so I'm going to click the enter button, and I'm going to fill in all the parameters here. Fill in my name, fill in my ACAL email address, put in the link to the video that has gone live that I created using ACAL using Sedance 2.0. You can also read out here and see all the other requirements. Make sure that you've met all the requirements so you can have a qualified submission. Once you've done all this, you just press submit, and voila, that is it, guys. You're going to wait to hear back from them on whether your submission is a qualified submission, and what you can be one of the lucky winners of $30,000 or $15,000 or even $1,000. So what are you waiting for? As I told you, you can try this out, make one generation for free, and then go ahead and create your movie or whatever thing you want to do, and add whatever you want to do. And note, it doesn't have to be as long as mine is. So this is Everyday AI with Jane. I hope you learned something today, and now I want you to go and create.